Today we are making plantain bread. This would be my first time. I've probably made only banana bread, but plantain bread is something new. So you start with the wet ingredients, you mix everything together. And yes, the plantain counts as wet ingredients, sugar too, weird. After mixing everything together with melted butter, you add your plantain. If you don't have a mixer, you can just use your fork and mash. It doesn't have to be really fine. Then you mix your dry ingredients that consist of flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. I forgot to shoot that. Don't forget to add cinnamon. Then you add both together, dry to the wet ingredients, and just mix. Don't over mix, just mix until thoroughly combined. I divided mine into two different bowls because I wanted to try something new, something I've not tried before, which was lemon. So to one I added chopped walnuts. That was the one without the lemon. And to the other bowl I added lemon juice. Good amounts. Half a lemon up, because then I added some of the zest. And to that same one I added some raisins, just to add to it. So the lemon I figured would bring some balance, because banana bread can get too sweet and make everybody feel the same way. So I thought, why not add lemon? It's very balanced out and add a little citrus flavor. And I was right. The lemon did add something to it. It balanced it, and it was really nice. The one with the raisin is the one with lemons, and the one with the walnut had no lemon. And I have to say, my favorite, definitely the one with the lemons. So from now on, I'll definitely always add lemons to my banana bread or plantain bread, whoever guesses.